guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you guys. You guys just see through the title. A lot of you guys have been asking me to review the Bretman Rock X Morphe collaboration. This is a highlighting palette. It's called Babe in Paradise. I think it's $29 and it comes with the highlighting palette and a brush. But my friend didn't let me borrow the brush. So she said let me borrow the highlighting palette because I did not purchase it. It was sold out. But anyways, I still want to review the product because anyways, it did come with a fan brush. But I'm not a really big fan of fan brushes on myself just because fan brushes do make like a big mess in my opinion. So this is the palette. It just says Morphe Bretman Rock. And it's 6 highlighting powders. A lighter one and more like goldies, and then like a rose gold and like a dark like a brown shade just for like darker complexions. It's like a gold sun-kissed brown. So it does come with 6 shades. Each shade has 28 grams, which is 99 ounces. So that's kind of a lot of product for the price of this palette. This palette was $39. I do think it's like a steal because you do get 6 shadows and it does have kind of like a lot of product in there. So I'm just going to be reviewing this product, and I'm going to be applying it to my skin, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. I'm going to be grabbing the palette, and I'm going to be looking at it. The only shades that would fit me or my skin complexion would be Vacation, Maui, and Get Laid, which is just like a warm gold tone. Probably the Chihu and the Shady Bitch would look a little bit like ashy on me. Well, not ashy, but you'll see like a darker shadow on my face. And the Girl is too light for me. Maybe I could use that as like an inner corner highlight. The brush that I'm going to be using is the Morphe F501. I usually wet my brushes when I use highlighters, but today I'm just going to be using the brush dry. I have like a total brain fart right now. But anyways, I usually do like spray my brush with a Fix Plus or something just so I can get like the pigment of the highlighter. But today I'm just going to be using them dry just to see how they perform dry, just because Morphe did say there's like a new formulation for them. So I'm going to be grabbing a mixture of Vacation and Get Laid on my brush. Just by tapping on them, they do kind of have like a little bit of kick up, but not that much. But usually highlighters have like flecks of glitter, so it's bound to happen. So I'm just going to grab the brush and place it where I usually put my highlighter, which is just here. I don't bring it so into my face because I do have very porous skin and I am very oily, so bringing it here will just make an oil maze and then an oil mess, and it will bring out my pores, and I'm a dude, so I have a lot of texture. So I'm just going to be applying it to the parts on the back of my face. It's actually had a lot of pigment in it. Let me just blend it out just to see how it looks. And I'm just going to go around my skin just to see how it looks. They're very, very pigmented. I actually really like them. Wow. This is a very new formulation for Morphe because they did have like those pressed shadows, and they really worked as a highlighter, but they do have different pigments in them, so it does kind of bring out my texture more. But I do see a little bit of texture on my skin. It's not sitting on my skin, it's actually blending into my foundation very good. But again, I am a guy, so I am going to have more texture than a girl, so you just keep that in mind. So again, I did use Vacation and Get Laid on my skin. So far it looks really good. I actually like the way it blended out. I'm just going to be going back into like my bronzer brush and blending the edges. I think I applied a little bit too much. I'm going to make it. So I'm just going to be grabbing the same brush and just to try a different color. I'm going to be grabbing Maui, which is just like a yellow gold. And just apply it on this side just to see which color combination I like better. And I'm just going to be applying it the same way I applied this side. I actually like the Maui shade on my skin tone more because I am more like an olive tan skin. Um, and then, vacation looks a little bit too ashy. Like I could see a shadow when I turn to the shad, but not on Maui. But that's not something I care for because I can fix it. I could just go over it with something and then the shadow will go away. So to give it a little bit more oomph, I'm going to try this wet one just to see if it looks good on my skin. Obviously, I only could use certain shades on my skin. Not all of them are going to fit my skin tone. So I'm just going to be grabbing a little one, a little bit of that white shade and then place it on top. As you guys could tell, it just gave it like an extra pop right there, which that's good. I'm not going to put a little bit more because I don't want to mess up this eyelid. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit more. Wow, se mira bien. I'm going to grab a pencil brush and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So guys, that's it with this highlighting palette. Overall, I did love this palette. I actually would buy it. I really do recommend it. It's a really good formulation. You could tell Morphe and Bretman did work very hard in this palette. The formula is very amazing. It doesn't sit on my skin, and it's not like those glittery highlights that usually you see in the market. It's more like a wet, like a shiny look, which is that's what I go to. It looks really nice. I do recommend it. Again, it's $29, and it does come with a fan brush. Obviously, I don't have the fan brush because my friend let me borrow it. So if you guys like this review, short kind of review, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And leave me comments down below on what videos would you like to see next. Also, other products used and mentioned during this video will be down in my description box. Also, it's on my social media, so you guys can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.